Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now if you go fall, make it fall seems to be the message that Rotimi Amaechi is sending to Nnamdi Kanu, as these people are now getting fed up with the antics of Nnamdi Kanu and his followers. So with that guys, I bring you this: what I will do to IPOB members if they come after me abroad. This is attributed to Rotimi Amaechi, so that's the headline. What I will do to IPOB members if they come after me abroad. So Amaechi is saying this. So now let's see what Rotimi has to say. Nigeria's Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amaechi has reacted to reports that Nigerian politicians are afraid to travel abroad following proclamations from members of the indigenous people of Biafra. Amaechi, who spoke recently, revealed that he is not afraid and would defend himself if confronted. The former Deputy Senate President, Senator Ike Ikiremadu, was confronted by some IPOB members in Germany a few weeks ago. This has heightened consciousness amongst politicians concerning their safety abroad. What do you mean by that? Scared of who? I am going to Geneva. Let them come. You know there's something called self-defense. I beg you, I will go to America or a place I have a function to attend to. The solution is not confronting politicians. Speaking on the solution to Nigeria's problems, which he believes should be followed instead of attacking politicians, Amaechi stated that the Nigerian economy has to change from a consumption to a production economy. Nigeria's economy is a consumption economy. We have to change it from a consumption economy to a production economy. So this is what Rotimi has to say. But the uptake of it is saying that he's going to defend himself. I'm not quite sure if any of you have seen any picture of Rotimi Amaechi recently, but I'm not sure how this chap is quite able to defend himself. Maybe they were bouncing off his big belly. Maybe that is what it means, or I don't know. This man, this middle-aged man, this fat and out of shape middle-aged man is claiming that he's going to defend himself against these 20-something-year-old gym-going IPOB members. So I'm not quite sure. I will pay money to see that. So the bravado has now started. The clapback has now started. And Rotimi Amaechi, in the comforts of his office in Abuja, surrounded by DSS operatives, is boasting about his kung fu skills. So you go then to Germany then and go and do exactly what you just claimed, because it's very easy to say that in your Abuja office, but you get more respect, certainly from me and a lot of people, if you go to Germany then and confront them, and then we'll see what happens to you there. Conversations in the comment section. Rotimi Amaechi challenges Nnamdi Kanu to a boxing match. So what says you? Come tell me what your thoughts are about these comments by Rotimi Amaechi in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.